Hello there! Today's video, ipakita ko sa inyo on how to solve problems on copyright music in Facebook page at kung saan mo ito makikita. So, let's go! Open yung Facebook. Punta lang kayo sa Facebook page nyo. Click nyo at hanapin yung help and support. Tapos, click itong support inbox. Ito. Merong report, sa akin merong reports about others and your alerts. Pindutin itong your alerts. So, dito mo makikita lahat ng yung copyrighted music notifications galing kay Facebook. Itong isa, first, nagawa ko na to. So, itong pangalawa, your video, the historic Hohenzollern Castle. Okay, pindutin natin ito. There are changes to your video. One or more actions were applied to your video because of a copyright match. So, see details. There are changes to your video. Blah, blah, blah. The following actions were applied to your video because it may contain 1 minute of audio they own. Some of your audio was muted. Pindutin mo ito kung gusto mong makita. Ito yung mga, these actions is applied in the following 72 territories. Ito yung mga lugar. 72 territories. So, let's go back. And then, click mo lang yung continue. How does copyright work? Read all this. Kayo na ang bahala. Basahin nyo lang. Click continue. How to make sure your content doesn't violate copyright law. It's possible to infringe someone else's copyright when you post their content on Facebook, even if you. So, just click continue. What would you like to do? These are the available actions you can take regarding the changes to your video. Accept changes, submit dispute, and remove video. So, for me, I submit dispute. Submit dispute. It's your decision ha. Kayo na ang bahala mag-decide kung ano. Click continue. By choosing this option, you acknowledge that you own the right to this content or have permission to use it. Here's a summary of what comes next. Just read all of this. Action was taken on your video because it may contain someone else's content. You can use this form if you think this is a mistake. The rights owner will review your dispute and respond within days. If your dispute is successful, will restore your video to its previous state. So, open form, original content, licensed content, public domain, other. Submit dispute. Fill out the form below to dispute the actions taken on your video. So, I choose other. And I write here. Isulat natin dito. Please consider this is for entertainment purposes only. And then I understand that by submitting dispute, I give the rights owner permission to view my video and public information that may allow them to identify my account. So, just click check and then submit. Ayun. Your dispute was accepted. Audio was restored in some locations It may still be muted in other locations if there were multiple violations. If you want to learn more about how to prevent potential copyright violations in future, please visit our help center. So, close. Thank you so much sa panonood ng videong ito.